In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Trello board users and permissions as part of our full guide for 2025. Let's dive right in and get started with accessing your Trello board. Head over to Trello and open My Trello board. Once your board is open, you'll want to locate the Share button. It's typically situated near the top right corner of the board. Click on it to open the sharing settings for your board. Within the sharing menu, you will see a list of people who have access to your board. Look for the member whose role you want to change. Click on the drop-down arrow next to their name. This drop-down menu will present you with various options regarding the role of that member. If you want to elevate a member to an administrative role, simply select admin from the list. Conversely, if you wish to set them as a regular member without admin privileges, you can just click on member. Should you need to remove someone from the board entirely, the option to remove will be right there in the drop-down menu. Just click it and they will no longer have access to your board. For situations where someone only needs to view the board without making any changes, you can assign them as an observer. This setting is particularly useful for sharing progress or obtaining feedback from stakeholders who do not need to interact with the board directly. Once you've set the appropriate roles for all members, close the menu by clicking anywhere outside it. If you need to make additional adjustments, there are 3 dots either in the top right corner or under the board title. These represent more options. Clicking these dots will allow you to add a description to your board, which can be very useful for explaining the purpose and goals of the board to all team members. To further refine how users interact with your board, find the Change Permissions option. From here you can adjust the board's settings for commenting, disabling it entirely, or allowing comments from members and observers. Adjust these permissions by selecting the setting that best aligns with your project needs. Explore the Adding and Removing Members section to manage who has the authority to adjust the team's composition. If everyone requires these capabilities, choose All Members, or select Admins if you prefer these permissions to be limited. Finally, once all desired settings are in place, make sure to close the Permissions menu to save your changes. With these steps completed, you've successfully managed your Trello board's users and permissions, ensuring a seamless and controlled collaboration environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.